Hello traders, hope you're doing well. First of all, I would like to wish each and every one of you a very happy new year. May this new year bring a lot of joy and a lot of happiness to you and your family members. Today, our market also closed in positive, right? Nifty, a good momentum towards the upside and even Bank Nifty. But initially when market opened today, Bank Nifty, we could see a nice correction even in Nifty. Even though both the index was falling towards the downside, my expectation was today's new year. Based on psychology, if you see, a lot of people they take new initiative, especially on New Year. So my personal thinking was today they will try to hold our market towards the upside. With that view itself, I approached the market today. Now, this update early morning itself, I had discussed in the private Telegram group. Hello traders, not sure how many people will be trading today, but people are still in holiday mode. However, based on the sentiment, people will try to buy stocks or try to take trades on this new year day. They will try to close the market in green on the first day of the year by the time the market closes. So with that approach itself, I was looking at the market. Later, what I could notice is continuously market was attracting more put option traders, right? By giving a breakdown here and here. In Nifty also these levels it was breaking. Here I had said breakdown has attracted PE traders. If more people have entered PE trade after breakdown, their stop loss will be on top. So to hunt the stop loss, market can show some upside move. Expectation also market will move towards the upside. Where the market has come, Bank Nifty has come to our supporting zone, which I shared in the morning. Nifty also has come to buying pressure zone. So planning for put option trade was not at all a good idea. So as per the trading setup, we could see a continuous movement in Bank Nifty, initially around 300 points, Nifty also around 80 points. Around 80% we had exited, only 20% we were trailing because expectation is both the index will reach the resistance. When both the index reach the resistance, we decided to plan our exit. After that, one important update which I've shared both in free telegram as well as private telegram. Yeah, around 11:10. I've shared this update in free telegram channel also. I've told both the index is respecting the resistance, cannot take any random trade on the call option side. There is no correction or consolidation breakout to plan for a call option trade. This is an important zone. After consolidation, anyone had planned for a breakout setup or trendline breakout like this, maybe you would have captured the next move. But my setup was already over here. That is the update what I shared in the private telegram group. Now traders, every day I try my best to explain my point of view about the market using the concept of price action, stop loss hunting and trade psychology. Do not provide any calls or tips. I try my best to explain the logic to you as simple as possible so that it can be useful for you in the future also. So hopefully all these updates are forwarded to free telegram channel also, you can refer. It might be useful for you in the future. Now if you wish to join a private telegram group, there's a flat 600 rupees off. You can use this coupon code new 2025. Also with all of the courses which we share in our app, there is flat 1500 rupees off. That also if you're interested, you can purchase the course. Whichever course in this list you purchase, you will be getting 1 month free access to the private telegram group also. Don't expect calls or tips in this group. Pure education will be provided during the live market. Now let's see what kind of trading plan we have for tomorrow. Traders, first let's discuss about Nifty. The logic what I'm going to explain in this video is very important. So please listen very carefully. It will be useful for you for the entire week. First thing what we need to understand is there was continuous correction in the market. Later we could see buying happening in the market at this zone. This is where buyers entered. They pushed the market nicely towards the upside. Selling pressure started in the market at this zone. Market nicely it corrected. Now if these buyers, if they are strong, what they should have done, maybe by giving a breakdown here, they should have pushed the market towards the upside, or near this breakdown they should have pushed the market towards the upside. Why I say this is because the buyers know again if market comes to double bottom, everybody looking at this previous move, even they will start entering, so they will not get better entry, right? They have to remove weak players later once the liquidity is created. After giving confidence that market will correct, then they have to push. But that did not happen, right? These buyers did not re-enter the market again. They allowed the sellers who are on top to push the market even lower. That means these buyers are kind of weak, and these sellers are trying to push the market nicely towards the downside. Whenever market is going above 24,000, they're pushing it down. Before reaching 24,000 continuously, they're keeping the market below the zone. So as long as this zone breaks 24,000 psychological level, we cannot confidently say these buyers are strong. We will consider these sellers only to be strong in the market as of now. When these sellers will become weak when market goes above 24,000, or let's say market opened with bigger gap up near 24,000, people thought to push the market again towards the downside, considering this as a resistance. Here if market breaks, fills this gap, that is when more pressure for sellers will be created. That is when these sellers, they will try to push the market towards the downside once. If they fail, if these buyers become strong, next no doubt they can push the market next to 25,000 also. Until then, what might happen is, even if market moves towards the upside, these sellers, I mean call option writers from top, they will sell, and buyers who's at the bottom will start selling put option. On top, call option sellers will be there. At the bottom, put option sellers will be there. So they will just keep the market like this, sideways. That time, big opportunity we will not have to plan our trades. That is why where we plan our trade becomes very important. Also, what you will notice is there is a resistance here, there's a support here. Tomorrow, let's say market opens within this range, of course we will not be taking any trade, but if we get a breakout, many people will be considering to look for a call option trade. But this can be a fake breakout as long as market do not sustain above 24,000. Near 24,000, if it faces resistance or it consolidates, gives a breakout, then only we have more potential of capturing the momentum towards the upside. Again, considering this as resistance, people will enter put. Again, to trap the market will move towards the upside. So these are the zones where we have to look for opportunity, not at random places like these. What if market opens with gap down? People, what they will do is, option sellers from top they will sell call option, and from bottom they will sell put option. So within this zone we will be ending up in trap if you are entering any trade randomly. So what we need to do, instead of directly entering at the breakdown, here if market is correcting, taking support at this zone or this zone, then it is showing bearish continuation, we will think about looking for put option trade. Two times the market tested the support, but still the sellers are putting pressure from top, so we will focus on PE trades. If that is not the case, if market directly breaks this level, consolidates, then gives a breakout, then we will focus on call option trades. Within this range, we know sellers from top and bottom, they will sell options. Here more premium decay will happen. It is not good for option buyers. So with this logic, we are planning to approach the market. Further details will be shared in the free Telegram channel tomorrow morning. You can scan the QR code to join the group. Live market update will be shared as usual in the private Telegram group. Whenever possible, in free Telegram channel also we will share. Now let's look into Bank Nifty. Today's this is Bank Nifty chart. With the help of this chart, I will explain to you an important concept of price action. As per price action rule, market only three types it can move. One is uptrend, other one is downtrend, third one is sideways market. You can open any chart and see market, any one of these three things only it will be doing. Here you can see in the past market continuously moved towards the upside. This we call as uptrend. Market was holding on to this range. We call this as consolidation phase. Again market was in uptrend, consolidation phase, again downtrend. So uptrend, downtrend, consolidation. These are the only three types of move the market can do. So this was the uptrend, this was the consolidation, again uptrend, consolidation, downtrend, consolidation. What is the market doing right now? It is in consolidation range. Now if you are option buyer and market is in uptrend, it is good for you. We can focus on call, premiums will increase quickly. If market is in downtrend, we can plan for put option trade. So nice put option premiums will increase, we can capture. If the market is sideways, it is good for option sellers because they identify the upper range, lower range, and they sell options. So as long as market is trading within this range, it is good for them. In the current recent time, you see people would have sold 52,000 call option and they would have sold 50,500 put option. As long as market is holding on to this range, option sellers are not too much worried. That is why you will see out of the money call option, out of the money put option are always more expensive because option sellers get the time advantage. So we as an option buyers, what we have to do when option sellers are trying to hold the market, they have sold option at the upper and lower level, we have to patiently wait for any kind of setup. Once market tries to take out the option sellers, or when option sellers cover their short position, or they unwind from their long position, that is when we have to look for opportunity. Now here, if sellers are sitting and here continuously buyers are sitting in the market, within this range it doesn't make sense for us to take any trade. I know this is a 1300 points range, but I'm saying in intraday, of course, we will be getting opportunity, but I'm trying my best to explain to you at what time as an option buyer you will make nice money. Now this seller, even if market gives a breakout, he might re-enter and push the market towards the downside. When he will get fear when market goes above 52,000. If liquidity is created, people are selling options here at this upper zone, or people are buying put option at this resistance, their stop loss will be on top. To hunt the stop loss, where liquidity is there, market will move. That is where during this up move, you will capture nice momentum. Continuously, this support is market is respecting. Buyers are entering here. They're holding the market. So these buyers will have fear only when market goes below the zone. So that is when we'll be focusing on put option trade. At the upper resistance, when everyone is thinking of selling, we'll be focusing at breakout on the call option side. Within this range, sideways market, we should not plan for anything. Of course, during the market hours, view will change. Small 200, 250, 300 points momentum to capture. We will get opportunities. When those opportunity arrives, we'll be trading on a lower time frame, let's say 1 minute or 5 minutes. That is when we will try to plan our trades. For example, here, if market gives a breakdown, we will wait, retest, shows continuation. Small stop loss will be looking for put option trade, or what we will do, we will draw a trend line like this. Market gives a breakdown here, breakdown fails. Again, market, as long as it is trading above this trend line, we will just hold our call option trade, because if market breaks this level, or even if it reaches up to 51,500 resistance, by then we would exit. So like that moment opportunities when we are able to capture, I will explain in the group. If the probability is there, maybe we can look for that setup. I hope my analysis video was useful for you and you learned something new today. Once again, I wish you all a happy new year, and please support the channel if you have made use of the content which I have given you today. You can do that by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or even better, share it with your friends who feel our content can be useful. Now traders, that's all for today's video. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next one.